Okay, today we're going to be reviewing for the CFA. Coming up next week, we're going to be going over the eras of exploration and colonization. All you have to do is complete the activities with me, and you will get credit for today's live session. All right, let's get started. Okay, match the correct terms with the correct definition. Your screen should look like this. And what I want you to do is match them up. We'll do one together. So what would go with fur? Remember the F's? That's right, friends. So there you go. I did the first one with you. All you gotta do is the next four. There's only 5 to match. Look for keywords. And I'm gonna set a timer for 2 minutes. Hopefully that'll be enough time for you to get it done. Oh, good job, you guys. You all put France. Cesar, you need the link? Sorry, Cesar. I'm juggling a bunch of screens today, so bear with me. Good job, Aiden, Jacob, and of course, Giselle. You guys are doing great. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. You got about 1 minute and 30 seconds, you guys. Remember that this is not about getting it right the first time. It's just about getting it right. So make sure that you try your best. What happens if you get it wrong? Let me check. I'm going to put Spain, and then I'm going to put a wrong one. I'm going to put find sea route to Asia. Okay, then I get it. So you do get a second chance. That's good. All right. Try to get all of them correct. Oh, you're lagging, Ricky? Try your best, Ricky, with this. If not, I understand, and I'll make a mental note of it. In fact, I'm going to write it down here. Well, actually, I don't even have to write it down. I saved the chat, so I'll just look back at it so I remember to give you credit. Awesome job. Okay, we got 40 seconds, and then we'll move on. Remember, guys, try your best. Spain. What will we put for Spain? Oh, that's right. They were looking for God and to spread they were looking to spread Christianity, and they were looking to find gold. Boom, right next to each other. Easy. Too easy. Persecution? What was that? Oh, yeah. So Davila said something about hate. Boom, there's hatred right there. And now I'm left with only 2. You kept on misclicking, lad. That's all right. It happens. I don't know yet, Aiden. I want to see how it works today, how it goes today. Maybe tomorrow I'll try it out again one more time, and just to see how we do. So far I've gotten positive feedback, not too crazy. It is weird for me because I don't get to be as participant as I usually am, but it's still pretty good because you guys at least get to try. I don't mind that at all. All right, so before I move on, let me do mine real quick. So we had fur for France, Spain, missions and mine, and persecution, hatred. So what do we have for England? That's right, jobs and to escape religious persecution. And last but not least, reasons for European explorations include find sea route to Asia, wealth, looking for gold, and claim new territories. Can anyone tell me what were we looking for in Asia? What was that thing that helps meat last longer? La carne. Spices. Good job, Alexa, Aiden, Gianna, Leah, and Giselle. Sorry about that. I'm trying to look at so many screens. I'm going crazy. All right, we're at number 4. Here we go. Here we go. Activity number 4. What is this? Fill in the blank, right? So all you got to do is match them together. I'll do the first one with you, the first sentence, and then you do the rest. Better yet, I'm going to do the third sentence, not the first one. So blankety helped establish the 13 colonies for economic opportunity and escape blankety to establish religious freedom. So who helped establish the 13 colonies? Easy. England. Oh, and they came to the 13 colonies looking for economic opportunity, which I know is jobs, but they also tried to escape that hate that they were receiving for their religious views. There it is. England helped establish the 13 colonies for economic opportunity and escape persecution to establish religious freedom. All right, you guys do the rest. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Remember that Spain came to the New World looking for the three G's: God, gold, and glory. Here it's talking about one G that has to do with mining. Remember that mining is what you do when you're looking for precious metals. And created missions to spread. All right. What's another word for God? Spread. All right, you still got 1 more minute. Remember, guys, participation is the key here. You participate. We don't have to do the 11th slide, which is 10 minutes of you doing something. Avoid it. Participate now. Still got a minute. All right, Spain came to the New World looking for, easy. They were looking for gold, and they were mining to find that gold, and created missions to spread, Christianity. We're looking for God, right? France came to North America in search of, that's right, Gianna, my girl. Good job. Gianna gave you the answer for the next line. France came to North America in search of, you got 20 seconds. Oh, I guess the hard ones are left, right? Blankety was the first permanent settlement by the Blankety, and it was founded in 1607. What colony was founded in 1607? Easy. Jamestown. And it was founded by who? The English. Duh. Blankety was founded by the Blankety in 1620. So what's the name of the colony? Plymouth. And it was founded by the Pilgrims. There it is, in 1620. Very good. Very good. Thanks, Jacob, Aiden, Gianna. You guys are killing it. All right, I'm going to done submit. Very good. All right. I got all of them right. I'm so smart. Just kidding. I made this. All right. Good job. Most of us are participating. I have a couple of people that are not. And yeah, just know that it comes up here. Just so you know that I'm not lying to you. Here it is. See, we're missing some of you guys. Missing Haley, Liana. Alrighty then, but that's still pretty good. Next slide. This is how we do it. Time to Climb by Nearpod. All right, we're going to do Halloween. Continue. And here we go. Choose your character. All right, I'm going to choose. Look at this guy. He looks crazy. You know what? I'm going to go with the glasses guy. Or is that a girl? I can't even tell. I think that's a girl. Let's go with this guy, the mummy. Oh, I got a duck too? I don't know who I'm going to be. Boom. I'm in. Look at us. Look how beautiful we all look. Look, that's Diego, Jose. Look at Shamar over here. Cesar, Gianna, that's me right there. Jacob, Grecia, Aiden, Christopher, Raul. We got a bunch of pandas. Alexa. It's cool. All right, then. Are we all in? Are we ready? You're just taking forever, lad. All right, give you a couple of seconds. Waiting for lad. Let me see if I can find them. Oh, we got Ethan over here. Haley. Man, everybody went for pumpkins, huh? All right. Let's get started. Let's do this. All right, there's 5 questions. This is just like quizzes from what I gather. First question is asking you, and here's the scoreboard. Look, I'm a number 1. I'm a leader. The settlement of Jamestown was founded for what reasons? Remember, they were looking for something that was a precious metal. It shines. Oh, you're not in, Manuel? Shoot, my bad, buddy. I saw 21. Oh, okay, there's 24 kids now. My bad. Did you get in, Manuel? Is it not letting you? No? Okay. Just wait on this one. You're excused from this one. In fact, here's what we'll do, Manuel. You'll be me. All right, Manuel. I'll pick the answer that you want me to pick. Are you ready, Manuel? Tell me. The settlement of Jamestown. What was it found? Oh, we only got 3 seconds. I got you, Manuel. It's gold. That's the correct answer, my people. Gold. They were looking for gold. Oh my goodness, I'm not even close to you guys. That's all right, Manuel. You're gonna help me out. Ready, Manuel? Next question. Thank you, Manuel. What was the reason for the Massachusetts colony to be founded? And I even gave you a hint. Plymouth was there. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. So, Manuel, what do we pick, Manuel? Do we pick Puritans who were escaping religious persecution? Or do we pick French who were dependent on farming and looking for new land? Manuel says we pick this one. We're going to pick that one. With only 30 seconds left to spare. Let's see if Manuel is right. All right, Manuel, I'm counting on you. Counting on you, buddy. You got 20 seconds, guys. I'm counting on you, Manuel, because we're all the way at the bottom, Manuel. We're 19 right now. You see us? We got to move up, buddy. Did we move up? We didn't. That's all right. We'll try the next one. Okay. Here we go, Manuel. You ready for the next one? What group escaped persecution? They were being discriminated against, came looking for religious freedom, and believed that were chosen by God to maintain the perfect society. Manuel, we talked about them yesterday. They live in Massachusetts. Who are they, Manuel? All right, Manuel, we're going to go with Puritans, you guys. That's our answer, and we're going to stick with it. We think the Puritans were the people who escaped persecution. They were looking for religious freedom, and they believed that they were chosen by God to create the perfect society. Does anyone know what a perfect society is? What do we call that? What was the term that I used yesterday? Put it on your chat. I think I even gave you the example of Zootopia. Raul. That's correct. That's correct. Utopia. That's right, Jacob. In Utopia, there's no killing, right? Everything's perfect. No one's poor. Oh, on to the next question. All right. And we did get it right, by the way. It was Puritans. Good job, Manuel. We're killing it, even though we're not there yet. All right. What colony was a safe haven for Catholics? Look at the silly picture that I put there. So, what colony had to do with the Catholics? All right, me and Manuel are going for Maryland. I gotta say, Manuel ain't wrong. So far, he's been pretty good. But I do look at the picture, and I realize that Manuel might have a point. Looking at the board real quick, just so you know where we are, Manuel. We're at 17. The lamb, right? Sorry, Manuel. I'm not gonna blame you for that. That's on me. That's on me. All right, then you got 1 second left. Oh my goodness. Come on, people. It cannot be easier than the picture that I showed you. Mary, Joseph, and Jesus. Why are we not getting this right? Maryland. Maryland is the correct answer, my people. Mary had a little land. All right, next one. What colony was founded by William Penn for the Quakers? William Penn. I got you, Manuel. Okay. I'm gonna write my pen. I'm gonna get my pen right now. Here's my pen. So I'll write down whoever doesn't get this right. I'm gonna write it down in a paper. Where's my paper? Here, I'll write it here. In this pen. I'm pending some answers. I'm pending some answers. You know, you always need a whiteout whenever you write something with a pen. No, whiteout's good always with a pen. Very good. The correct answer was Pennsylvania. Anyone get it wrong? All right, great job, Christopher Mata. You are the chosen one. Good job, my man. Gianna Garza, you were very close, ma'am. Ethan Reese, you were very close too. Congratulations, you guys. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Don't worry, Manuel. We tried our best. All right, and this one is collaborative working. So all you have to do is type something here. And what I want you to type is what did the distance from the 13 colonies in Great Britain do? What did it help develop? What kind of government did it help develop? Type it in your chat. I'll put one for myself and for Manuel. What do we put, Manuel? That's all right, Manuel. What do we put for what did the distance do between the 13 colonies? Or what type of government was starting to develop? Oh, I got people. Ooh, Ethan Reese, very good, awesome. All y'all are great. That's all correct. Good job, you guys. Self-government. Yes, he did develop self-government. What about examples? What are the examples of self-government? Oh, awesome, Manuel. Do that one for me, buddy. What are some of the examples that the distance helped create? Self-government. Okay, can anyone give me examples of self-government? I'll throw in one. The easiest one. All right, am I right? There you go. There you go. Some of you thought the same things. Oh, look at Jacob with the picture. That's right. Can anyone tell me what that picture that Jacob put was? And the last one, Diego and Raul got it, Mayflower Compact. Awesome. That's great. You guys are killing it. Let me share this thing with you. Oh, you can actually see here. Sweet. Awesome. Yeah, the picture that yes, Leah, awesome job. Yeah. Yes. Awesome job, Jacob. That one's House of Burgesses. That's the only one that we were missing. So Fundamental Orders of Connecticut, Mayflower Compact, House of Burgesses are all examples of self-government. Self-government was created, you guys, for one reason and one reason only, and that was my noise is pretty good. All right. And again, the distance between the government, between the 13 colonies and the king led to the creation of self-government. Awesome. You guys are killing it. All right, next one. This one is just a poll. So all you got to do is click on the answer that you think is correct. So it won't mark it wrong. It's just we'll see who's right and who's wrong. All right. So why did the Catholics immigrated to Maryland? And let me check the live chat real quick. Why did the Catholics immigrate to Maryland? We got 40 seconds. Oh my God, what do I pick? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Stop killing in the name of religion. Oh, it's about religion. Okay, okay, okay. Profit from natural resources. Oh, no, because it's talking about religion. It has nothing to do with natural resources. Escape persecution. Oh man, what is persecution? What is it? Yeah, okay, so what do we pick, Manuel? Which one do we pick? B? Got you, buddy. Boom, we got 8 seconds to go. Ooh, submit it. Easy. All righty then. What do we pick for this one? Why did Catholics immigrate to? Very good. Most of us went for it. Escape persecution is correct. Good job. That is cool. I didn't know we could do that. That's awesome. All right, next one. Next poll question. All right, Manuel. Let's get ready for this. We got to beat everybody. Which of the following are effects the distance between Great Britain, and England had on the 13 colonies? I'm giving you the hint, examples of self-government. So all of these are effects between the distance of the 13 colonies and Great Britain. All right. What do we pick here, Manuel? We can pick more than one, by the way. You can pick multiple ones in this one. Yeah, that one's good. I like that one. Is that the only one, or we pick another one? Can we pick one more? Yeah. I'm gonna do one for my boy, the Mayflower Compact. All right, let's submit it, and with a minute to spare. Okay, those are my answers. Those are me and Manuel's answers. Oh, Shamar, you got locked out. Okay. Were you able to log back into the Nearpod? Can you do it? Could you try to do it for me? Just because I want to see if you get logged out, can you come back in? Yeah, I can send you the link. Here you go, Shamar. All right. We got 40 seconds for those people that have not answered yet. If you haven't answered, make sure that you do. Most of us have. Okay. All right. I'm gonna fast forward this one. Well, let me wait because then I can wait on Shamar. Alrighty then. Looking at the answers real quick of what we picked, most of us picked the right ones. House of Burgesses are an effect of the distance between the 13 colonies in England. Another effect was Mayflower Compact. Another effect was the Fundamental Orders of Connecticut. All of them are examples of self-government. Magna Carta and the English Bill of Rights, those were things that were created way before the 13 colonies were a thing. So they were not even, the 13 colonies were not even a thing. Alrighty then, guys, we got one, what is this one? Oh, we're gonna match here again. This is matching 2 minutes. That's so weird, Manuel. I don't know why. That's weird. You wanna try logging in again? Like put yourself, instead of putting Manuel L. See if it works. Because I do want to see how we can fix things like that. If I do go forward with this thing, I do want to see how we can fix certain things, like you getting kicked out. Alrighty then. Let me help you out with one. I'm gonna do Harvard's because it's so easy. Harvard's. I'm looking for Ocean, Boston, New York. Oh, there it is. Boom. Just like that. Okay, I gave you one. See if you can do the rest. Tenemos un minuto. All right, let me do another one to help. It was getting loaded for all of them. Does it say it still? Are you still in that gray screen? Or is it finally letting you do it? All right, let me do one more. What about, I'm gonna do the southern colonies, because that one's easy too. I just gotta remember the climate outside. Oh yeah, hot. The south is hot. Boom, there it is. Hot climate, fertile soil, large scale agriculture, which is farming or plantations. Easy. I got two now. 15 more segundos. 15 more segundos. Oh my goodness, time's up. Dang, I didn't get to finish mine. All right, let me show you real quick the pairs so we can go over them really quickly. All right, first one, southern colonies, right? Hot climate, fertile soil, large scale agriculture, plantation. All of those have to do with southern. Large scale agriculture, farming. New England, cold climate, rocky soil, harbors, fishing, shipbuilding. Easy. Things that we remember from them. Slavery, the South, plantation, agrarian economy, which is farming. Remember that slaves were used to grow cash crops. I should have put cash crops on that one. Middle colonies, moderate climate, rich farmland, bread basket. Emphasis on moderate climate. Cash crops, crops you sell. Example, tobacco, slave trade, demand for slaves increase. Easy. Harbors next to ocean. Everyone know that one. Very good. All right. Last one, you guys. Number 10. True or false? True or false? I'm just glad you're doing it, Manuel. I'm happy that he's letting you work on it finally. So that's good to know that you just gotta log out, log in. Okay. Thank you. All right, for true or false, you guys. New England colonies allowed both men and women to sit in committees and make laws. True or false? All right, I'm gonna give you a minute to 2 minutes to do it, and then we'll go over it together. Think about it. What did we talk about yesterday about men and women? Who was allowed to vote? Who wasn't? For number 2 is asking Roger Williams and Ann Hutchinson help establish the principle of religious freedom. Remember what I told you? Roger Williams and Ann Hutchinson got kicked out of Massachusetts because of their religious beliefs. So they founded Rhode Island. For what reasons? Number 3, uh, Massachusetts economy was based primarily on shipbuilding and fishing. And I even remember what I told you, Massachusetts is part of New England. And New England had rocky soil, cold climate. What kind of jobs did it offer? They had a forest there that you can chop wood and make into something. And then number 4, true or false? Thomas Hooker again believed that all free men and women should be allowed to vote. The other one said law. This one says vote. Are women allowed to make laws? Are women allowed to vote? Back then, not today, back then. Twenty more seconds and then we'll do this. True or false? A or B? Okay, here we go. True or false? New England colonies allowed both men and women to sit on committees and make laws. What do we say here, guys? True or false? Oh, most of us got it right. Very good. Very good. And the correct answer is false, guys. Sorry, ladies, no rights for you yet. You can't make laws. Roger Williams and Ann Hutchinson helped establish the principle of religious freedom. True or false? This one is true. Okay, they did help establish religious freedom. They were escaping persecution and hoping to practice their religion freely. True or false? Massachusetts' economy was based primarily on shipbuilding and fishing. Looking at that picture, I know that Massachusetts is in New England. So I know that in New England, shipbuilding and fishing is a thing. So that is true. True or false? Thomas Hooker believed that all free men and women should be allowed to vote regardless of their religious views. Can women vote? Not back then. Sorry, ladies. The correct answer is false. Only men can vote. Only men can make laws during that time period. Oh, submit. Okay. Yes, 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 y'all. Okay. Very, very good. Okay. I'm gonna end session because we are officially done. I'm not going to make you do that 11 slide. We'll call it there because you guys did so well. Okay, so the last thing that I want you guys to do is the exit ticket. The exit ticket is called exit ticket near pod. Let me say it one more time. The exit ticket is called near pod. Okay, near pod. Make sure to complete it. Today, I'm going to allow you to leave and work on it independently, okay? They're very easy 10 questions, so you can work on it independently. I'm gonna wait it out here in the live session, so in case you need help, you can come back in the live session and I can help. If not, you're good to go once you finish the exit ticket. Are there any questions for me before I let you go and work on your exit ticket? All right, hope this wasn't